Struggling to find the right financial partner for your business? You're not alone. In California, with so many options, it can be tough to figure out who truly understands the unique challenges and opportunities local businesses face. You need a bank that's more than just a place to hold your money. You need a partner invested in your success. That's where Poppy Bank comes in. They aren't just another national chain, they are a community-focused bank with deep roots right here in California. Their mission is to support the businesses that make our communities thrive. So, how do they do it? It starts with their comprehensive suite of business banking solutions. From business checking and savings accounts designed to streamline your cash management, to online banking tools that give you control and flexibility, Poppy Bank has the foundational products you need to operate smoothly. But what really sets them apart is their lending and financing expertise. Whether you're a small manufacturer looking to expand, a real estate developer seeking to finance a new project, or a small business owner who needs working capital, Poppy Bank offers a full line of commercial lending products tailored to fit your specific needs. They specialize in a range of loans, including commercial real estate, construction, and SBA and USDA loans. As an SBA preferred lender, they have a reputation for responding quickly to requests and closing loans efficiently, which is a huge deal when you're trying to seize a business opportunity. They understand that every business is unique, and they take a flexible approach to lending, so you're not just a number or a loan request that gets put into a box. They also offer a range of business services beyond just loans and accounts. Think merchant services, credit cards, and cash management solutions like ACH origination. These are the tools that help you manage your cash flow, pay your employees, and grow your bottom line. They are all about providing a comprehensive, competitive plan that ensures efficiency and a smooth experience, so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.